In this video, I'm going to show you how to create simple thumbnails with just two applications. So these are two free applications you can use to create thumbnails for your channel. You know, as a starter on YouTube, as a new YouTuber, you need thumbnails to drive traffic to your channel because without thumbnails, someone won't really know what you are up to. The first thing that catches someone's attention is the thumbnail. Remember, the thumbnail catches someone's attention first before any other thing. So before the person gets to look at your title, the title of your video, the first thing that the person will see is the thumbnail of the video. So it's from the thumbnail of the video, the person will choose to look at the title of the video. So as a new YouTuber, you need thumbnails a lot. I know you might say, I see other people post their videos without thumbnail and they still get views. Go back and check their subscribers. You'll see that they have a whole lot of top subscribers already. So their subscribers know them already. They have a lot of subscribers. So even when they post their videos without thumbnails, they still have views. But you as a new YouTuber, you don't have subscribers. Nobody knows you yet. Just have very few people that knows you. So you need thumbnails to drive even more. Even the big YouTubers out there still use thumbnails to still drive traffic to their channel. So I'm going to show you this into this channel, but what you're going to do for me is kindly subscribe to this channel. Number one, like the video, drop a comment, and then share this video to reach other people. Help us to grow, help me to grow as well. Let's all grow together and then monetize our greatness. So let's get into the practical aspect, and I'm going to show you. Please watch this video, what to what, listen to everything I said, and watch it carefully to know what to do. But if you don't get it, please you can still drop it on the comment section where you are lost, and I still get to reply to it. I can still help you out. So let's get started. There are two apps I talked about, showing you two applications you can use to create your thumbnails. We have a lot of applications you can use to create your thumbnails, but for me, I prefer to use these very applications. These two applications, they are like my best for now, although we have a lot of applications. So if you want to go for it, so you can download the background remover and then thumbnail maker from your Google Play Store. So I'm not going to show you how to download that now. So if you want to get it, you can come up to my comment section and then I can link up with you and then make you get the application. It's not my application, it's just on Google Play Store. So first of all, let's go to background remover. So probably on background remover, I want to remove a background of an image I want to use as my thumbnail. So I'll click on the background remover and open it. So now let's allow it to open. It might take a while, it might be dull, depending. It uses network as well. So first of all, I'm going to click remove background. So when I click remove background, it's going to take me down to my gallery. So I'll go through my gallery and look for a picture, the picture you want to use as the theme for the thumbnail, as the thumbnail picture. So just search, I'm going to look for, okay, let me say I might choose to use this picture. Yes, I might choose to use this picture. So I click on the picture and then it's very, very fast. Already it has removed the background from this. So what you're going to click next is, you see the tick sign on top, the right sign on top. You click on it and then it will show you. So it might show adverts. Yeah, so you just allow the adverts to play, and then when the advert is done, it will take you back. So you can now save the picture. When you now save, it will save the picture down to your phone. So you might also show another advert, but this doesn't really matter. But we're going to save it down to your phone. So after this, what are we going to do next is we are going to go over. Okay, now it is being saved into my phone. So next thing, I'm going to go over to my thumbnail maker. Yeah, over to my thumbnail maker now. So this is one of my best apps for making thumbnails. It's very flexible. Honestly, very, very flexible to use. So let's get going. Okay, now my thumbnail maker is open, and we have different covers with different templates for making thumbnail. You can choose a template and then use it to create your own thumbnail. It's very simple. So let's allow it to load. Okay, now let me not waste your time. So I'm going to click on create. So when I click on create, it's going to take me down to where you see backgrounds you can use with sizes. So you see here size for YouTube. You see YouTube cover, YouTube thumbnail, tablet display. So we are using thumbnail. So I click on YouTube thumbnail. So now it's going to ask me which of the pictures am I going to use. Am I using a color? Am I using myself as you see camera? Am I using a picture from your gallery? So if you want the background pictures to be from your gallery, so I might go to my gallery and then look for a picture. Sometimes I get my pictures from Pinterest. Yeah, most of my pictures I get from Pinterest, like background pictures. I get them from Pinterest. So it's easy. You can go over to Pinterest and download. Just search for something and then you see it and download. So let's say I can use, okay, let me use this. So you can see this, I can minimize, you can minimize it, you can increase it. So this can be as my background, or I can still choose a color. I can say, okay, let me choose a black color and use a black color as my background. So now we've opened the main interface where you can now start creating your thumbnail. First of all, I'm going to click on image. If you check down here, you see him image. Click on image, go to user, use gallery. So it will take me over to my gallery. And then I'm going to choose, go to album. In case you can't find the picture, you just remove the background. So go to background eraser, and then I'll choose the picture. So now you can see this is the picture. I just removed the background. So you can see now that it's real. So now in this picture, you can resize it to the size you want. If it's long, you have to cut it a bit short so that it will fit in well on the thumbnail. So when I'm done, I click on tick. It's going to take over to the thumbnail. So I'm going to increase it and put it on one side of the screen. You can see now, put it on one side of the screen. So I'm done with that. So the next thing I'm going to add is text. You go to text, click on text, and then you type, maybe depending on the topic you're doing. So for me, I'm talking about thumbnails today. So what am I going to type? I'm going to type here, create. Okay, let me just say how to make easy thumbnails, or make easy thumbnails. Easy thumbnail. Depending on what you want, I can say make thumbnails with these two free applications. So I can say make thumbnails with these free applications, free apps, and that's good. So after that, you can see it's showing black. So I can now click on font size. We have a lot of font size here. You can see we have a lot of font size, but this is one of my best font size. I can choose this, go to color, and then I can make this to be, let me say, yellow. So you have to scroll down to where you see the yellow color. So you can choose a yellow color of your choice. You can choose a yellow color of your choice. I can choose this. So I can use this. Okay, this is okay. I can use this as well. So if you increase it, you can turn it to anyhow you want. You can shrink it to be bolder. You can make it to be on a straight line anyhow you want. So mine, I want it to be this way, and I'm going to increase it. Okay, let it be this way, just this way. Okay, that's okay for me. Then you can add an outline. When we say outline, outline means the color that's going to be on the border of the text. So I can choose red. Let me just choose red and then show you. You can see I've added an outline. Anyhow, when you increase it, it increases too. So you can choose another color. You can choose white and add an outline to it. So for me, I don't really like, okay, since the background is black, I don't need an outline. So what I'm going to do next is add an image to it. So I'm going to my gallery to choose images of my thumbnail. So which means you are going to provide a proof. This is for my own. So if you are in a cooking niche, so you go to your gallery and choose maybe a picture of a food you prepared on that same topic you making a video on. So you can't talk about cooking okra soup and then you posted the video on your thumbnail is maybe a goosey soup or rice and stew. So I'm going to go to my thumbnail. You can see I have a whole lot of thumbnails here. I'm going to choose a thumbnail. So I'm going to put in like two thumbnails here. I'm going to choose one thumbnail over here. Let me reduce the size, paste it here, and then go over to choose another thumbnail. So I'm going to add like two thumbnails at least on this video. So now this is it. I've added like two thumbnails here. You can see there I have like two thumbnails. So this like a proof of like showing you how the thumbnail will look like, so that in case you want to give it a try, you know that this is an example of what you're going to do. So now this is it. So this is like a rough work you can do. So I can go to effect, click on effect, and then choose a background, change the background. You can see. So I can change the background. So after changing the background, I can click on the text, um go over to outline, and then choose black color and outline the text with black color. You can see, so that it will make it bolder. So with this, I can still go with this. So I might use this as my thumbnail. I might make another thumbnail depending on how I see it. So this is just a rough work to show you how to make thumbnails. So we have like you can design it at any how you want. You can move your picture to this other side. You can flip your picture. If you want to flip your picture, you can see. You click on that, you click here. What you see here as triangle. You click it to flip your picture. So if you click on it, it's going to flip your picture from left to right and from right to left. Very simple. So if the picture is this way, I can flip it. It's okay this way. If I'm taking the picture to the right hand side, I'm going to flip it so that if I take it here, the picture is going to match. So I can't keep it this way and keep it here. You can see it doesn't match. So I can flip it. You've seen it now. I can keep my text here. I can still shift these ones over here. So it's still the same thing. Anyhow you want to place them, you're free to place it. Yeah, you're free to place it. So you can reduce the text size, you can increase it. Anyhow you want to make yours, you are free. So with this, I'm done with my thumbnail. Okay, yeah, with this, I'm done with my thumbnail. I can say, okay, I can decide to use this as a start. I can decide to use this as a start. So I'm going to use this thumbnail on this particular video. Yeah, I'm going to use it on this particular video. So this is it, how to make thumbnails. If you have any other question, you let me know. I can still guide you through on how to create how to go your way around the thumbnail making. If you have any difficulty, I can show you. So as I said, kindly subscribe to my channel. If this is the first time you coming through my channel, if this video was helpful, kindly subscribe, like the video, and then share. Drop a comment as well as we grow together. So let's chat in the comment section, and then bye for now.